Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials. Make sure the Ps5 and Minecraft are updated because outdated builds often block sign-in. Once done, gather your Microsoft account email, password, and any two-factor device or code. This prevents mid-process lockouts. Next, verify the console's network. Use wired or reliable 5 GHz Wi-Fi since intermittent connections abort login handshakes. Now that those prerequisites are in place, open Minecraft and select the sign. You'll see a code when Minecraft asks you to sign in. Type that code into the Microsoft webpage on your phone or PC. This is faster and more reliable than the Ps5 browser. While you authenticate, grant the requested permissions so the console can access your profile and Xbox Live data. Without these, cross-platform features fail. Once the page confirms the link, return to Minecraft. Make sure it shows your gamer tag. If it doesn't, repeat the web step and watch for exact code entry. You finish by restarting Minecraft and the Ps5 to ensure authentication tokens are applied. This resolves many lingering errors. If you still can't sign in, clear the Ps5 cache by fully powering off for 30 seconds, then try reauthorizing. Alternatively, reset your Microsoft password if login is rejected. One key troubleshooting tip: check Xbox Live service status and outages before deeper steps. If servers are down, nothing will work. So wait and retry, rather than reconfiguring settings unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.